a fantastic opportunity for you. Like you are a native, people love you. You know what they thought that Arif, I
I
really
think
want
they
to.
love you. I think they love you.
No, they don't love me. They love you. They love you,
Uh,
Mr. Joseph. They love you.
well, thank you. That means a lot to me.
Yeah, you are deserving. You deserve to, bro.
Thank you. Hey, so I actually wanted to make a video with you about idioms.
What what I have a question. I have two queries. I want to solve with you right now. Look, I have seen in YouTube that one question in my mind right now that there's two sentence called I was studying and I studied. So could you please tell me the difference between those things? Which is the right sentence in between that I was studying and I studied. So what do you think about these things?
So I am telling, you said?
Yeah, I want you to explain.
So I am telling, that's different from I am studying.
Yeah.
Studying is like you're studying for an exam, right? You're practice yeah, you're studying for an exam, for a test, right?
Hmm.
So say you have a an English test and
Hmm.
your brother comes in the room. Oh, one moment, I am studying right now,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah.
And then he's in the room. He can say, "Oh, I just wanted to tell you that dinner will be ready in 5 minutes." So studying and telling, they really don't have anything like they don't have anything really like to do with each other. They're like separate.
Yeah, but like I was studying. What do you think about this word? I was studying, or I was studying.
I was telling.
No, I was
Oh, okay.
study.
Yeah, that's good. So you would say, "I I am studying right now," or "I
Yeah,
was studying yesterday."
yeah. And
Yeah.
and and what and one more sentence. I studied. I studied. What do you think about it? I studied?
That's the past tense. So
Yeah,
you would say, I studied yesterday.
yeah.
Yeah, I studied
Mm-hmm.
English yesterday. Now
Yes, yes.
remember, if it's right now, you would say studying. So I am studying my English
Mm-hmm.
right now.
Yes, right now.
So if it's right now, add ing, but if it's past tense,
Mm-hmm.
you add the ed. I studied yesterday.
Mm-hmm. Mm. And the another query is that how we gonna gratitude the by vocal pronunciation by vocal. How we gonna gratitude a person? Like how we gonna use a gratitude word while talking with like I wanted to gratitude with you. I wanted to gratitude you because of your a precious you're spending a precious time with me. I wanted to gratitude to you. How can I?
You can say, oh, he showed a lot of gratitude towards
Okay,
me.
that's called a third person, Mr. Joseph. Like I
Okay.
wanted to tell, yeah, I want to tell to, I want to say to you right now. Okay,
Gratitude.
okay, no, you didn't get my point, sir.
I'm sorry.
Well, no, well, like it's my fault that I'm not able to put my query in front of you properly. It's my mistake. It's not your. But well, we'll discuss this point later on. Meanwhile, I have another one things to ask you that, like in Cambly, I've seen lots of tutor. They wrote it down out there that uh, I teach and I teach and I taught. What do you think about? That's the difference. I really want to know the difference between I teach and I taught.
So the taught would be past tense. So I
Yeah,
taught a class yesterday. I taught a class last week.
yeah, that's a taught. It's a past week, past sentence. Yeah,
Past tense.
and then teach.
So so remember, if it's right now, you add ing. So I am teaching English right
Yeah,
now.
yeah.
But so for teach, you can say, well, I want to teach English. I want
So
to teach math
yeah,
class.
so it's a continuing past tense or it's a continuing present tense.
Yes. So past tense would be taught.
Mm. Do you know?
I don't know
Sorry,
if I'm ready. I don't know if I'm ready for all your questions, but I'm trying.
I'm sorry for that. I didn't want to bother you, but whenever I see you, that the question is generating on my mind. Whenever I see you, whenever I saw American tutor, questions are generating in my mind.
Well, I
I'm
hope that
sorry
I
for
was
that.
able to answer. I hope I was able to answer some of your
No,
questions.
that's not enough, sir. I'm gonna disturb you again one more time.
That's
Or
fine.
keep. Well, continue, inshallah.